So SORA homeowners, these are the two units that I will choose. I believe you will also agree with me that for our homes, we would like it to be a place that we can eat, sleep, play, thrive, right? So I'm just going to add in an aspect of Feng Shui into my unit selection, and I hope it aids you. If your unit is not documented in this video, do not worry, you can always go to the instructions found in the video description. Then we see how we can proceed with that. First, definitely want to keep the south of our homes airy, clutter-free, and clean, right? South is going to be the dominant chi source from 2024 until 2044. Okay, so this is very important. Please take note. And how did I even end up at SORA? Even though I saw there was a Facebook ad, but I decided, hey, why not? Let's take a look. So the very first thing before I even decided on SORA is to look at this aspect, which is the terrain. Definitely SORA at the north, northeast, southeast, and east, there's a water body, right? As you can see here, marked in light blue. But more importantly, if we look at this picture, which I got it from Google Maps, at the terrain layer, you will see there's a slight gray. And what does this mean? So that's the presence of higher grounds, because in order for Feng Shui to start, we need the presence of water bodies and higher grounds. And from 2024 to 2044, we like the higher grounds to be at the south of our homes. SORA fits the bill. There's water bodies and higher grounds. In SORA, there are 4 blocks. Which block did I choose? Okay, I'm just going to zoom in to block 78. Why? Of course, there are other 3 blocks which didn't fit my bill, okay, because throughout the whole selection process, there are some things to take note. So what I took note is that, okay, since block 78 is the one that fits the bill, yes, so congrats if you are choosing a unit in block 78. But I'm just going to zoom into 2 units. Okay, what you're going to see next are floor plans versus different aspects of Feng Shui that did help me or guided me to why I choose this unit. So first, definitely is the C4S. It is a 3-bedroom premium plus study. But what should you observe here is the 3 red crosses, because the first thing that I just like to avoid is missing sectors or weak sectors. You might be thinking, what's the effect? So the effect is that there's no affinity with the home. Good Feng Shui that you have activated, people with that associated to that missing sector will not be able to receive it. Likewise, bad Feng Shui, they also will not receive it. Feng Shui is personalized to each person. So if you find that you are a homeowner of SORA, Block 78, C4S, and happens that C4S is Unit 22, you can follow the description or the instructions found in the video description below. Okay, then we can proceed from there. Now is about designing the living spaces, right? So at the top left corner, what you can see is that there's green circles marked. So that's where we want to design the activities to be there, right? Because Feng Shui is no magic pill. It only aids your activities that you have planned to do. So this is at least for Unit 22, and which is the second unit in SORA that I will choose is D1. It's a 4-bedroom luxury of a bigger space. Of course, yes, there are 3 red crosses you will see, so that means weak or missing sectors. But more importantly, if I have to choose between these 2, this is where I will choose. Why? Because of the green tick, right? There's a green tick down there, which is the door at the yard. Okay, because in everything that I do, Either one, I do it myself, or I seek the help of other people. So to scale whatever that I'm doing, I need to get the help from other people. In fact, if I'm the owner of the D1, I understand that it's a private lift lobby, but I would purposely design my entrance to be the door from the yard, walking to the entire flat itself. These are the two units in SORA that I will choose: Unit 22 and Unit 25 of Block 78 in the SORA unit. That's what I wanted to do because I feel that homes should be a place where we can eat, sleep, thrive, play successfully in the years that we will stay in this unit.